Hello, welcome back to Lego Man. So today I'm going to make the spinning wheels on Cursed Satan. And so if you haven't checked out the video of me making Cursed Satan, then check that out. And so I'm going to take this part off so it's easier to make it, put the things on. So I'm going to put that on the side. Okay, so first you take this part off and take the slope off. The curved slope, then take the red and take these two apart, and we don't need this gray piece anymore. So, and then take this and put the slope over here and put this, I don't know what it's called, but just put it in here and it makes it spin around. Then you put this over here and just do that. So I'm going to do it on all the other sides, and just make sure so you don't put this part on this side, always put it on this side, because then it will be facing the wrong direction. But if you do want, you can do it. So there, and actually I'm going to replace this with a red one or a blue one. There, take that, and then I'm going to take this other one off. So I already have this one, and so I'm just going to put it there. Then, so we don't need these dark gray things, so I'm going to put them on the side, and then I'm going to put this here. There, and this blue one here, this there, and that. Okay, so it's done. So everything's like free spinning the wheels, and all of this is free spinning. So yeah, that's Cursed Satan, and you can use like a different color of these. I only had blue, so I just used that. And so yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe. Bye.